Peace, what's going on guys? Serrano here and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a accessory that I'm gonna go ahead and open up, and I have a bunch of things right here because I think this is a wireless charger, so we're gonna put these off to the side, but these are all wireless charging things that will work with it. Unboxing knife. I'm gonna go ahead and make an incision right here on the side of this thing so we can get this going. Okay, so this thing is heavy. Already I can feel it has some weight to it. I smell, it smells like really like some chemicals out of this thing. I'm not sure what's gonna be inside of here, but let's go ahead and put that down right there. Put that in the garbage. And what's inside of here? Wow. I feel like Dexter right now. You guys ever seen that show? That show is sick. Alright, so we have right here the Air Wireless Power Bank. And when it says air, that means wireless. So let's see if we can make out anything. If you do not safely follow the instructions, you could cause a fire. Oh no. You also do see right here, we have, it's the D2 is the model. It's a 20,000 milliamp hour wireless charger with some other ports right here, which we're gonna take a look at. Oh crap, so that was the USB. There it is. This is a micro USB connector to type A right there. Right here we're getting the huge power bank. Now this thing has some weight to it. Now why is it so heavy? Well, because it has some really cool features that we're gonna get into right now. But you can see we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ports and wireless charging on the top. So you can see right here on the front it does say power bank 20,000 milliamp hours, and then on the back right here it says it's gonna say right here output A 5V in and output 1A, and then on the bottom of here we are going to see that it says the D2 model 5 volts 2 amps 5 volts 2 amps 2A/1A, and then you put another type 2 type A's like right here. So just you could have one going. Wait, what is this? Is this even gonna fit? Hold on. Oh yeah, that works. So, and you can put another one here. And you could just have multiple things going on this thing. So some normal headphones such as these would work perfectly fine. We'll plug that in, see what happens. Oh wow, so you could see that turned on and it said output, it says out 75%, so you can see these things are charging right now. Now I'm wondering if I have to press that button on the side to get that going. So I just hit that button. And I'm not seeing like anything here happening with the bold device, the blue device. Oh wait, it says it's charging now when I just tap that. Are you kidding me? Hold on. It has to go over top of that for it to work. All I did was tap. Oh wait, I didn't even tap nothing. It's just charging now. Hold on. Oh snap. That's actually sick. Okay, so this actually works for the Bold N1. You can see it's charging right now. This is the one I want to see if it actually works. Let me just see something real quick. Wow, okay, so those actually do have wireless charging. Remember those AirPod 3 clones I was reviewing a few videos back? So these do have wireless charging. Let me try these ones real quick. And yeah, these are working because you could see the LED right here. Let me just show you. Oh wait, it's not like letting me show you. Wait, let me show you on this this angle. Alright, so you can see that LED is actually charging these on top of it. Now let's try these one more time. And those work. Now let's try these one more time. And those work as well, the Type-C. So let's see, this takes the micro. So you can see I have the micro going. Oh, there it is, it's charging now. And so we have two things going at once. And then these are Type-C, so if I wanted to, I could have these going at the same time. I just have to take this out and put it in the front. And now I can have like all my earbuds charging at one time. I think this is absolutely bonkers. This is sick. And you can see these are charging now. These are charging now. And the light doesn't really stay on these, but those are charging as well. Okay, I knew I wasn't bugging out. These actually do work, but you have to have them sitting down on this thing in this orientation. And now you can see the LEDs are actually charging on this thing. So I think this thing is bananas. 20 milliamp hour battery, and it's charging all of my wireless accessories right here, which is absolutely nuts. But if you did find it helpful, hit the like button and show your support, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.